Welcome. This is East Allen County Schools My Big Campus video tutorial for adding files and adding YouTube videos and websites. So let's begin. I've logged into My Big Campus, and once again my activity page comes up, and the first thing I'm going to click on the left hand side is Your Stuff. Your Stuff allows you to store your server files on My Big Campus. So basically any file that you have on this computer, you can put it on My Big Campus. You can load it onto My Big Campus. Any Word document, picture, website, PowerPoint presentation, etc., etc. These files can be accessed from anywhere on the internet. Therefore, this eliminates the need for flash drives. Okay, so I've clicked on Your Stuff, and you see my screen of my stuff. This video tutorial is simply going to be teaching you the basics of adding files and videos and websites. So on the right hand side of the buttons at the top, click on Add. So there you have three options. You have File, a YouTube video, or a website. To upload a file to your computer, select obviously File. Click on the link to search your computer for the file. So I'm going to click here to upload files. Automatically it takes me to my server documents, or you can search anywhere on your computer for various files. And so therefore right now I am inside one of my file folders on my server documents. So therefore if I wanted to download this file right here, I simply highlight it, click it. You'll see these little arrows. It's going to take about 3 seconds, and there it is right there. And here it is right here. It is finished. The spinning arrows next to the file name means it is uploading, and typically it takes anywhere from only 3 to 4 seconds. When the file is uploaded, it will appear below the upload box. It will have a check mark next to it. So there's my file. I'm going to do that one more time. Click here to upload files. I'm going to scroll down and upload another one. I click choose. There's the spinning arrow, usually about 3 to 4 seconds, and there it is, once again with a check mark next to it. That's how simple it is to add files. Once uploaded, you have the option to mark your files as copyrighted or licensed so that your files may not be accessed outside of your district. Click on the file link in Your Stuff and click Edit. So for example, if I wanted to copyright, let's say this quiz here, I click on the link and it's going to open up, and I'm going to click on the option for Edit. Now inside here you're going to fill out the fields here. So a small description. This is a short 10-question quiz. Category would be language arts. Minimum grade would be from about 6th grade, maximum grade to be 9th grade. And then here is the purpose. Check mark this box. This item is copyrighted and should only be visible by my school. Now if you leave this blank, then of course other people in My Big Campus can view that document and therefore use that document. So this is your option. And obviously click Save in the lower right hand corner when you're finished. You can control where you want to share an item by simply clicking on the icons located at the right of the file name. For example, click on the gear icon to share in the My Big Campus library. So for example, if I wanted to share this quiz right here in the My Big Campus library, I would click on the gearhead icon and click Add to the My Big Campus library. If I wanted to remove it, then I would click Remove from the My Big Campus library. You'll notice a globe popped up to the right hand side. That indicates where it's now being shared. Okay, so therefore the globe on the right hand side, the globe icon, allows you to see where your file is being used. So adding YouTube videos and websites. You can also add, of course, YouTube videos and websites. I'm back to Your Stuff page, And once again, in the Add drop-down arrow, you would either go to YouTube video or website. The screens that appear for adding both types are the same and can be filled out in the exact same way. So what you simply do is copy and paste the YouTube video or website address in the top field and then click Get Info. So I'm going to pause this. Say, for example, I wanted to add a YouTube video. So I'm going to click over to YouTube, and let's say, for example, I'm a math teacher and I wanted to find something on long division. I'm going to look for videos on long division. And let's say, for example, I wanted this video on long division. Math Made Easy, apparently. I just found some random video. I will then copy. Now remember, this is a MacBook Air machine, so on a Windows machine this is going to have a slightly different look. I'm simply going to copy the URL on the top line and I'm going to paste it into my address field in My Big Campus and click Get Info. Most often the title, description, and tag fields will auto-populate. In other words, it will fill in automatically. And look at that, it just did. If they don't, you can fill that information if necessary. Down near the bottom, select a category and a minimum and maximum grade level for this content. Currently, this information is added for reference when selecting content use, not for filtering what a user can see. So for example, obviously this is mathematics. I'm going to click on mathematics. And minimum grade, let's say for example long division, I'm going to start in the 4th grade and I'm going to end it in the, let's say, 8th grade. Okay, just for the sake of this video tutorial. And then I simply click in the lower hand corner, Add. And this video has now been added to my stuff. Since the My Big Campus library is CIPA compliant and secure, the web address being submitted is checked against the Internet Filter Database. If the website is in either the Lightspeed or security category, you will see a message that asks if you'd like to submit the content for review. Once you click Add, the content will be listed in your stuff and be automatically available through the library. So now my last step is I'm going to show you how to add a website, which is essentially exactly the same thing. So I went back to my stuff, or your stuff. I'm going to click on website, and you'll notice that the page is exactly the same. So therefore, now I want to find a website that I like, that I would like to use in my classroom, and this is one I've been to many times. It's a fun math game. Once again, if I was a math teacher, and I simply, this is called Algebra versus the Cockroaches, and once again I simply copy the URL, go back to My Big Campus page and paste it into the website address field, and I click Get Info. The Get Info button, oh, and look at this, this item already exists in the My Big Campus library. Sometimes you will find websites on the internet that are already in the My Big Campus library, and so therefore it did not have to go very far to find that. So I can go to View Item if I wanted to make sure, and sure enough, there it is, Algebra versus the Cockroaches. So now I'm going to go back to my Your Stuff page just to see the stuff that I've added. And there's the long division video that I added, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to the next page, and there is the Algebra versus the Cockroaches video that I added, or website that I added, excuse me. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed East Allen County Schools My Big Campus video tutorial in understanding the function of your stuff and how to add files, YouTube videos, and websites into your stuff.